I replaced my bay window a while ago, and in the process, I had to tear off all the siding and the brick. Nothing was going to be able to be reinstalled, and instead of putting brick back up, I ran siding all the way to the bottom. This might be a less known fact, but when you redo a part of your house on the front, you don't want to put the new siding on the front of the house unless you're going to redo the whole side. As siding ages, it tends to get dirty and it fades, and it doesn't look like it used to when it was new. To fix this issue, you need to find a part of your house that doesn't normally get seen as much as the rest of the house. Steal the siding from that side of the house to replace where you need to fix so that everybody is going to see the siding that matches and blends in. In the spot where you stole that siding, that is where you put the new siding. That way, the transition from the old siding to the new siding isn't so obvious to most people. It is a really big difference when you put the new siding next to the old. In my case, I stole it from the right side of the house that hardly anybody ever sees. Also, when you go to buy the siding, make sure you take the correct sample with you. I took double 4-inch vinyl siding sample that was mixed in with the rest of my other siding. Apparently, I have double 5 on my house and double 4 on my detached garage, and that got mixed in with my house siding for some reason. I didn't realize this until I put the first piece of siding that I cut up against the ones that were on the house, and it was apparent it was not the same siding. I consulted with the boss, my wife, and she said that hardly anybody is ever going to see it, so go ahead and replace it. It would be a bigger pain to take it all the way back to the store, which is an hour away, exchange it, and in turn lose the day that I had planned to do it, than to just put it up and deal with the difference. Honestly, I feel the line between the old and the new siding is a bigger shock than the inch of lapis siding. I reused some older pieces to finish off the row of 5-inch before starting with the new 4-inch. This will get replaced in the future when I have time, but for now it's a placeholder, so don't judge the ugly siding that has been getting grass blown on it for the last few months. Replacing siding is definitely a lot easier when you have 2 people. These are 12.5-foot sticks that are a big pain for one person to piddle around with. If you got somebody to help you, it is definitely worth asking. After running the 4-inch all the way to the top, I think it looks okay since nobody will ever really see it, and it didn't put me back any time. Let me know what you would have done in the comments. Remember to use the old siding where nobody's ever going to see it, and put the new siding where everybody's going to see it on the front of your house. If you like this video, give it a like. Consider subscribing for future DIY projects, and I'll catch you in the next video.